Today we are going to look at one of the very usual use case when we are using Excel sheets. So here's the scenario. You have rates for something in one column, and there are multiple columns for each month or each day for showing the consumption of some thing. Like, so in the month of January I have purchased 15 kilograms of rice or 10 kilograms of onion, so on and so forth. So the requirement here is like, I need to know what is the sum of how much amount I have spent on these items given the rate is this. So of course in the real world the rate will change every month or every day, but for a hypothetical we are taking it as a static amount there. So there are two ways that you can do this. One is to multiply rate into the quantity plus the rate into quantity. Like this you can do for all the values. So you get 1950. So this is one way of doing this, but there is an easier way which is more scalable. So that's what I'm going to show you today. It's called SumProduct. There is a function called SumProduct where you can sum the products of two columns. So let us see how we are going to do that. So here I am initiating the formula, and the function name is SumProduct, and I am selecting the column where it has the rate and selecting the column where it has the values. I get the same 1950. So now I want to use the same formula for all the months. Will it work? It will not, because now you see the rate column has changed. So for avoiding this kind of calculation error, what you can do is, like when you are writing the initial formula itself, you can log these cells. So putting a dollar before the column name and the cell name makes that this will not change even if we are copying and pasting it to some other cells. So now I am just pasting the formula. See, this is what the value that we have to put in. So does this help everyone? I hope you guys will make use of this formula. So another use case that you can make use of this formula in this function is when you have a scenario where you have a few people working for you. Say you have a project manager and you have a back-end developer and you have a front-end developer, and there is a billing rate you give for each. Say you are giving your project manager $6,000 per month, and back-end developer say $5,000, and front-end developer another $4,500. So then you have only one manager for each month, and you will be having one developer for the first month and 3 developers and 2 developers, like this. I'm just putting some arbitrary values here. So I need to know how much amount I have to spend on each month. So in that kind of scenarios, I can make use of this SumProduct function. So here I am choosing the rate and the number of people who are going to be there, and it will cost me $15,000 in the first month. So likewise I am locking these values here and just putting the formula across. This is how it will be, and you can simply sum these to find out how much this project will cost. So that's it in this video. I hope you will make use of this function pretty often. Thank you.